में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। फोकस इन राइट थिंग। देखो, when we travel in the bus on the way to office, or we are going traveling in the train or plane, generally what happens, we see everybody is talking different topics, and there is no limit of the topics A to Z. So during the travel time, your mind is totally disturbed, or some kind of thoughts, useless ideas, useless things. When you in the office, you gossip, internet, talking. So our mind is totally filled with the unwanted or unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary ideas. Because there is no mind is focused on the right thing. Their mind is focused on the wrong thing or unnecessary thing. That is the biggest problem in our day-to-day life. We come back home after office, uh, 7-8 hours in the office traveling, and around when you're traveling, you are in the office, you're surrounded by the people talking about so many things. So mind little bit here, it goes inside, and you gather so much negative or not right thing in a way. See, when you are sitting in the back side of the car driver is driving the car, two are sitting, what they are doing, they are talking, seeing the mobile, some song, something, and they are using the time this way, unfocused, focusing the mind on the wrong thing, not right thing. But you see the condition of the driver mind is so focused, he has no time to entertain the unwanted, unnecessary things or thoughts or gossip. So that is called diver mind is focused to reach the destination, avoiding all accidents, other things. That is the responsibility. So mind is focused. That mind is focused means mind is so much alert. More alert your mind, more mind is focused on it. Whereas the two persons sitting backside of the car, their mind is not focused on the right thing. So they are playing, talking, most of the time is mind engaged in the wrong things, not focused on the right thing, wrong thing. If you calculate this way, in a day, I think 3-4 times mind is focused is wrong thing, not right. So how can you expect the mind will be calm and quiet? You come back home with this unfocused mind, you are totally disturbed and mind is full of thoughts, unwanted thoughts. So how can you have mind is peace, calm? you cannot expect. That is why you find A to Z, everybody complaining. Mind is unrest, mind is unrest, how to control the mind, no peace. Even though you are trying to get it, you are going to the temple, you are going here and there. But these things we are not taking it seriously. When you are going out, traveling, or in the office, mind is not focused on the right. So coming home, how can you expect mind will do the right thing in the right the way you want? You want to meditate, you want to take the name of the God, you want peace. How would it possible? So the, remember these examples of the driver. 24 hours, at least 18 hours, mind should be like driver. You should be alert, very much alert and focused mind in the right thing. Focus your mind in the right thing, even in the house, you are alone, you are talking, you are doing the household work, but that is most important. Focused mind, just like a diver. Remember, the diver is the examples. Uh, we should be, mind should be alert like diver as far as possible in our life. And another thing we are doing, we are so much interested and spending lot of time knowing or acquiring techniques of life, spiritual life of technique. We are very much interested in spending the time in acquiring, knowing, accumulating, gathering technique, so that there is no time is left to practice. Because mind is unfocused, not focused on the right thing, and whole day unfocused, focused on the wrong thing, unfocused mind. So that is why we are so much interested to know different kind of technique, different kind of ways and means. And this book says like that, this Maharaj said like that, this Maharaj said like that, this Maharaj. That is a, your mind is full of techniques. You have gather, acquire, or no time to practice. It is, we are not able to practice because of mind is not focused on the right thing the rest of the day, the whole day. We should we should talk, we should spend the time in an alert mind. Even household work, in the office, we should try, mind should focus on the right thing as far as possible. There are your friends, your colleagues, so many people are there, they will disturb you. But have you tried to save yourself and try to focus the mind the right thing? You indulge it, you join it, because your mind like it, that focus the mind in the wrong thing, unwanted thing, and very catchy, very soothing in the mind maybe. So that is the one of the Lukanava weakness. We are not taking care or looking after this point, that mind should focus on the right thing, just like a diver. This is the one of the major point hindrance in our life, because of the mind is not focused on the right thing. So that is, we have to remember it. Problems, because problems comes, we are when the negative thoughts comes, then problem come, and positive thoughts come in, there will be no problem. So problem will be there. You should not consume problems. You should consume positive thing, negative thing. Yes. So when you focus the mind in the office, you try to consume negative thinking, negative thing, but you should try to consume positive thing, even in the office, even in the traveling period. That mind is not focused. We are gathering, we are consuming negative things and negative thoughts. If mind is focused, try, then you will consume positive thoughts and positive things. Okay, if any question is there, you can ask. That is just like a driver, focus your mind in the right throughout the time, throughout the time or days, 24 hours a day. Amit, any question?
Yes, Swamiji, that was wonderful discussion on how we lose focus during the daytime whenever we are working. So I was just wondering why we lose focus. Is it because we forget the goal or because of lack of discipline?
No, that is one point. When you are not serious about the goal, when you are not serious about your ideal, so their interest, their connection is less. You are more interested in the wrong things because that is more appealing to you. That always we cannot remember the goal of the life. That is the weak point for us, and that is why mind going to the wrong things. Mind is not focused. Mainly, your goal is not distinct, clear, and you are not convinced that I have to achieve it. I have to achieve it. Just like a casual. Oh, अरे ठीक है, ईश्वर की सेवा करना है, godly and that is casual talking. That is not sincerity, is not there. Deep thinking is not there. That is why mind going away from the goal, other thing. And when this strong bond, awareness, and conviction of the goal is there, of course, willpower, discipline, these are always helpful to make this ideal become a more strong and strong. But many you are not serious about your goal. That is you again and again. You are drifting from the goal to other. That means mind is not focused, mind is unfocused and focused on the wrong things. Yes, you got it?
Yes, yes, Swamiji. Thank you.
Anybody?
Swamiji, Swamiji, one question. Sorry, sorry. Do we go ahead?
Yes.
Uh, what I would like to know is, in spite of so many years, you know, trying to lead a spiritual life, why aren't we, focused? Why aren't we serious about our goal? Why do we lack sincerity?
See, this question you should ask you. If you fail in the examination, why I am fail? You will explain like that. The teacher has given the less marks, or You ask your questions, you try to understand what is the difficulties, by what is not covered by you, where is the weak, the subject you have not studied well. You introspect and find out. Outside people cannot give you this, why I am failing the examination. Other people passed it, you have failed it, so you have to introspect, examine what is the cause, find out the cause and hammer it and solve it. Outside people, how can say that why you have failed? Simple answer, you have not studied well. Similarly, the moment why mind is not attracting or getting attraction to the goal, that is, it is, you ask yourself, where is your taste? Taste is not in the goal, taste is somewhere else. This way, introspect and find out the reason. Who is the culprit? Who is the enemy in between goal, between goal and who is coming in the way? That you sort it out. You cannot ask why you are not able to do it. The other people will succeed in the life. Why you are not success? You have to find out through introspection this way. Very deep introspection will tell you. You just rectified it. Again, will get involvement, or you can develop more attraction to the goal. So, rest of the life, even the days, you are always sincere, alert to the goal of the life. And the moment you alert to the goal of the life, automatically peace of the mind comes. And you are not alert and forget of the goal of the life. Whole life is problem, problem, problem till the death. But you have seen there are some people as if there is no problem at all, because their inside story is they are very much focused on their goal of the life. I think you got the answer. You have to find out what are the reasons behind it.
Yes,
That,
Swamiji. Yes. Thank you.
thank you. So,
Swamiji, one question. So,
yes.
what are the some practical techniques we can use, which can during the course of day, during the turmoil times, can still help us remind the larger
See,
goal in life?
turmoil of the life and sudden measuring in the life, unless you have a regular practice. Through regular practice, you develop some kind of inner force. So whenever this problem comes, you can face it. If regular practice is not there, no force will come. Force will come within. See, trips, whatever tips our scripture says, others says, already told you that you are very much interested to know the technique and read so many books, so many techniques. They know nothing is happening in the life in time of need. Just there is a turmoil in the life. It is not that you do not know the technique. Lot of huge techniques you have gathered from different books, different lectures. Thing is lack of practice. Regular practice, if it is there, then you can face it. This practice give you the inner power, inner strength to face and struggle it. If that inner strength is not there, inner strength is not there because you are not practicing the technique. You only heard it, gather it, it is in the brain. So any turmoil, any thing happens, sudden accident or sudden misery, unless there is a regular practice, nothing can, nobody can help you. Even the scriptures, even one person, they can say, bear it, bear it, bear it. How to bear it? If you have the inner strength is there, then you can bear it. There are some people, this kind of, even that more degree is more, their turmoil is there. So deep intensity of turmoil is there. But very few people are there, they can bear it because of the inner strength. If inner strength is not there, nobody can face it. So practice is there to get the inner strength. Whenever outside this turmoil, accident, misery, and sudden demise of somebody, then inner strength is able to pacify it. Reaction will be less. The simple thing that when you find some relatives has passed away or father passed away, mother is weeping like anything, son, daughter is there. Daughter is little bit, he have a inner strength is there. She got up, and next step, what they have to do it, trying to get it. Have to contact it, have to bring this, you have to bring this. Mother and the son, they are totally emotionally charged. They forget their duty. How that girl got that power, where his mother and his son, his brothers, mothers not got because of inner strength. Inner strength, he little bit face it and try to, yes, what are the things the next to be done? To satkara, to bring this thing, vehicle, this thing, this managing. So it is dependent on the inner strength. And you will find some people they have, but some people have don't have, they are totally collapsed. I think this example is from that you can understand what you have understood. What you have asked. Inner strength will come first.
Yes, Swamiji. So, for example, in the morning or in the meditation time, reminding ourselves of the larger goal and
Larger
doing
goal,
that.
your goal, yes, that is a practice.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah.
From practice, strength will come.
Hmm.
Most of the time, as I told you that because we have no sincerity, love for the goal, love for the ideal, we focus our mind on the wrong thing throughout the day. If that thing is there, sincerity is there, sometimes you can focus the mind, the goal, right?
Right.
Okay. So, Amit, now today wind up.